Hello YouTube, welcome to another unboxing experience review with me, Ost, the guy who has cats that does weird things. And also I make 8-bit music, and if you like that sort of stuff, I put a link in the video description, so check it out. Today we're going to review what it is like to unbox the Asus ROG Strix X470-F gaming motherboard. This is for the AMD platform, and I think that we can just get right into it because it doesn't seem like there's any tape or anything like that, so hopefully this will be a smooth process. Okay, I may have spoken too soon. This is weird. No, it should be straightforward. You just kind of lift this part out, and then it should come out on its own. Oh, there we go. There we go. That was a bit weird, but I think I got it. And bum. Here is the actual motherboard, so let's just put that aside for now and see what's in the rest of the box. This is 2 bolts or something in parallel. Foam padding. Here we have warranty sticker. Game off, you may enter. Game on, you shall not pass. It's like a sticker you hang on your door into your room or whatever, which is obviously telling a tad bit about what the target group for this kind of product is. And then you have, this is interesting. You get, cats also think it's interesting. Time to gear up. Here's your coupon for 30% off cable mod cables. So that's one of the things that you get if you want to do your own cable mod cables. And here's more papers, even more papers. Manual, driver CD, SLI bridge, SATA cable, more SATA cables, M.2 screw. Never lose this one if you install it, because you're gonna need this if you have the desire to use your M.2 drive. And here are some cable ties, I think. And moving right on to the star of the show, we have the actual motherboard. Oh, look at that. Here you can see the integrated heat spreader, heat shield. The heat sinks actually are quite beefy on this one. Solid capacitors, all of that stuff. You have your little cloth tab right above the DDR4, and there's like graffiti all over the board. And there's your Supreme FX sound card capacitors. So yeah, good stuff. Good stuff indeed. And I will have to say this is a 9, because it was really pleasant. Save for the fact that the box was sort of difficult to get into, but once you get into it, there's no frills, no hidden packages, none of that stuff. And the bonus is that the cats also like the box. They can use it as a boat. It's all very pleasant. And yeah, if you like to support me, like, comment, subscribe and all that, tell your friends, watch the video again, and I will see you again in the next one. Bye.